Drafting of palazzo. Measurements required: full length 39 inches, hip round 36 inches, or you may take your own measurements. Now we will fold the paper from the middle and mark it A to B. Now we will begin with our drafting. 1 to 2 is equal to 1/4 hip round plus 1 inch. 1/4 hip round is 36, 1/4 is 9 plus 1, that is 10 inches. Now from the center A, we will mark 5 inches on left and 5 inches on right. This is 1 to 2. Then we will mark the full length. Length is our 39 inches. Then we will minus 2 inches for belt. That is 37, and 1 inch for the seam allowances. The total length will be 38 inches. Means A to B is 38 inches. Now A to 3 is 1/3 hip round plus 1 inches if needed. 1/3 hip round is 12 inches. Hip round is 36. 1/3 of 36 is 12. So A to 3 is equal to 12 inches. Now 4 to 5 is same as 1 to 2. So it is also 10 inches, 5 right and 5 left. Now mark 2 inches from 4 to 6. It is for the crotch. Now join 2 to 6 with a slight curve. Then we mark for the bottom, that is from 7 to 8. 7 to 8 is 20 inches, or according to the width of the fabric or according to fashion. So in this we have taken 20 inches, 10 inches from B to 8 and 10 from B to 7 inches. And we will mark 7 to 11 1 inch and 8 to 12 also 1 inch. Then give the curve. Now we will join 6 to 7. 6 to 7 for the side seam. And here important point to be noticed, that we have to join from 1 to 8. Okay, here we have joined from 9 to 7. Here we have to join 1 to 8. Now this is your complete drafting of front. Now for the back, we have to take 1 inches above 2 and join this line point to the point 1. This is for the back part of the palazzo, and we extend 0.6 to 0.9 by 2 inches. This distance is 2 inches. Then give the curve 2 to 9 for the back crotch and join this 9 point to the 7 point for the back drafting. So this is the complete drafting of palazzo.